Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Radley lawnmower, grass trimmer, and leaf blower all in one. Look at that. That's Radley right there. And I did not bring my knife to open this. So the features of this in English, you get a brushless lawnmower, grass trimmer, blower, and two 20-volt batteries with 2.5-hour dual charger. You get your lawnmower 15 3/4, 17-inch deck, 7-inch front wheels, 9-inch rear wheels, 45-liter grass collection capacity, mulcher rear bag operation, 6-position cut height. Grass trimmer has 10 inches, 7,600 RPM, retractable wire guide. You got your blower, which has 130 miles per hour. 100 CFM, designed for ease of use without the hassle of gas or cords, soft grip for added comfort, balance for stress-free one-handed operation, molded front scraper on tip of nozzle, removes stubborn debris. And that's it right there. Now, let's see what we got. Ooh. So we got one battery, we got filler, we got the other battery, we got the lawnmower handle, bubble wrap. I like that this folds up. This is nice. I wish my gas lawnmower did this. So this looks like you just put this in. Oh, that's it. Line up the teeth. When you're done, you can lock it in. You could go like that. Look at that. I'm not even reading the lawnmower instructions yet. And this looks like your trigger. Starting instructions. Okay, so we're gonna put this, slide it on there, move those bolts out. So this gets bolted in. So you would have to remove these. Oh, these flies are wild today. Now we're just gonna put this bolt back in. So this looks like your 6-level height. Ooh. You can see it increase. Look at that. Ooh. And then this is where you shove your batteries in. Well, there's the blade. This you put the bag on. 96 decibels, so it's very loud. And here's our bag. There's our dual charger, the wrench, and the manual. User manual, part A, cordless lawnmower, battery and charger. Keep the manual for future reference and keep away from kids. Alright, there's all your specifications. There's your table of contents. Battery pack and charge safety, maintenance and storage. Do not place appliances or their batteries near fire or heat. Danger of explosion. Do not crush, damage, or drop the battery pack. Batteries can explode with pilot lights. Do not charge the battery in a wet location. Charger safety instructions, mechanical damage. The battery of the appliance is not fully charged. If therefore, it needs to be fully recharged before you use it for the first time. This charger is not intended for use by persons, including kids, with reduced physical, sensory, and mental capabilities. Your polarity, directional, safety symbols, warning, danger, wear hearing protections, quick release lever, lower handlebar, grass catcher, front wheel, battery charger. Unpack all parts and lay them on a flat surface. Remove all packaging. Lower the handlebar, the upper handlebar, and the grass catching mulching option. Okay, so that's what the two screws are there for. Attempt to use it unless you have either the grass catcher or the mulching plate. So this goes on that. And I'll have to get my screwdriver. Alright, now we're back. Okay, now we got our handlebar and our grass catcher screw adapter. Okay, so there's a long spot and a short spot. So make sure that goes in the correct orientation. Okay, now that we got that on, in, up, over. So this is if you choose the mulcher function. So if you don't want the bag, that's fine. But if you want the bag to catch the grass, you would put on the grass catcher. Okay, so we're gonna see how this battery goes in. Hey, this almost looks like my drill battery. And it has an indicator. So I got 3 lights. we're going to slide it in. Oh, it locks. Oh, it's a 4 amp hour. Wow. Just noticed that now. Empty the grass catcher during use. Do not wait till it's completely full. A full grass catcher will reduce the performance, so better just use the mulcher. Okay, so insert the batteries, plug the safety key into the slot fully. Make sure you clear stones, sticks, wire, or other objects, or you see all of this. 6 inches of grass, yeah, you ain't gonna see nothing. Mowing slight overlap in rows. Disconnect the safety key, remove the battery packs. Keep it clean, report repairs and maintenance during these instructions. Remove stubborn dust with high pressure air. Do not use it if you find any damage. Replace this blade after 50 hours of mowing, or 2 years, whichever is sooner, regardless of the condition. If the blade is cracked or damaged, you must immediately replace it with a new one. Lubricate the blade after each use to prolong the blade lifespan. And there's the exploded view, so you can order all the different parts and repair it yourself if you had to. And there's all your parts list. Look at that. So that is the end of the lawnmower. This box, they fit both in here. Plate to that. That's the leaf blower part. It even comes with a rake. And a little shovel. Wow, and a trowel. This already makes it wife approved. Where is that part? So there's your grass trimmer. Pop this open. Oh, okay, so this is only a 1-hole thing. Alright, that's fine. There's your little button to release the twine. That's your cover. That goes in there. Okay. Now if I get my screwdriver. Here's a weed whacker. And you just hold it like this. And there's a little thing that you pull. And then rotate. Unlock that. Well, there we go. Now we got it. Now we can make this longer. Now it's good for tall people. Now we're gonna assemble our leaf blower. And this one looks like the one I got that's electrical. So we're gonna put this onto this. And then we're gonna put this onto this the right way. And there's your little button to turn it on and off. Part B, grass trimmer. Okay, let's see what this says. Single line automatic feed system. Use only 0.065 millimeters. Critical tool related precautions. Ensure it's not blocking motor vents during and after the use. Any other size will result in damage to the tool. Must be fully charged. Do not abuse the cord. I guess this is normal for all of them. Do not force the tool. Use it for correct application. Do not plug in the charger or install the battery until you have read and understand this instruction manual. Battery and charger safety. Know your grass trimmer. Telescoping shaft lock, shaft rotation, assistant handle. Guard must be installed before installing the battery pack. Pop it open, removing the old spool. There's the exploded view. Now there's not much for this thing. Your part list, and that's it for the grass trimmer. For the blower, eye protection because of flying debris. Keep 50 feet. Know your blower. And that's it. That's all your assembly instructions. And the exploded view. And that's it. All done. Alright, now we're going to start mowing. Hey look, I partially mowed the lawn by making it flat. Alright, here goes nothing. Hey. Look at that. Look at that go. Aw. Well, that's it for the battery. It's only got 30 seconds, but my lawn looks a lot better. And this is the charger, so we're just gonna have to pop those batteries in. And okay, there, it's a double-sided charger. You charge a battery on each side and they're both offset, and it's got a decent sized cord. Charging, and I'll see you in a couple hours. Alright, and after charging, we got them fully charged. And we're gonna put our safety key in. That's our safety key. Goes in there. Put a battery in there. Put another battery in there. And while playing with this, here's your mulcher bag. So this just goes on. The flap opens up. That's just supposed to line up there. And that's it. That's actually it. That was so difficult. Alright, now we're gonna push this button. Hey. Look at her mow. Bye-bye, weeds. Maybe it's too low. Yeah, it gets pretty full of gunk pretty fast. You get to see me just mow the lawn. And then there's your mulch. And that goes over the edge. Hey, now that we've done that, now we're gonna try our weed trimmer. So you just plug this bad boy right in there. Then that, close it up. Loosen that, make it taller. Now, push that. Hey, now you can get to the edge of everything. Alright, you can even do it with one hand. No, I'm not so forgiving with the weeds. I go to the roots for those. There's another thorn bush growing in my thorn bush. Now we're gonna do the leaf blower. This one's easy. Pop in your battery, lock her up, and then, oh, look at that. Look at that. Up the bum hole. Look at that. Oop. Out you go. And that's that for this. All three of these, $279 on sale at Home Hardware. Get it while they last. Look what this lawnmower can do. You just pop these things out. Pop that out. And then fold it down. Pop out the bottom. Pop out the other bottom. And there you go. And it's a little handle. It's carryable. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.